This is the elevator in the East Campus garage on Carnegie Mellon University's campus in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's a formerly Westinghouse, formerly Westie, modernized by industrial commercial. Here's the elevator. Takes a while to level. B. Here we go. Oh, it's traction. Here in the basement.
Didn't know they had a basement for the place.
Yeah. Let's go to
Floor B.
4R. It's a 4R. Storage. Here we go. This was definitely original. Epic motor. It's a HIGHdraulic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, this is a HIGHdraulic. That's a powerful motor. Motor is powerful. This opens up over here.
Floor 4R.
Let's go back down to 1R. We're not getting a view. We have other elevators to go to. Just your basic parking garage elevator. Innovation Universal, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Very fast. That's an epic motor. Here we are, 1R. Watch it level. Let's watch it. Ring bell. Watch it level. And we'll watch the doors close. There goes and. That's it.